Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about growing a huge number of chili peppers on our plants by doing just these three things. These simple yet effective techniques can help you get an abundant harvest of chili peppers right from your garden. First, when we transplant our seedlings, it's crucial to provide them with a good amount of compost or decomposed manure. If you are planting in a bed, a 2-inch layer of this rich organic matter will be great. Alternatively, you can mix it 50% with good soil. This is important because compost and decomposed manure are packed with essential nutrients that chili pepper plants need to thrive. They improve soil structure, increase moisture retention, and provide a slow-release source of nutrients. This means your plants will have a steady supply of the food they need to grow strong and healthy, leading to better fruit production. After just 10 days, we will provide a nitrogen-rich liquid fertilizer made from a mix of weeds, leaves, and manure in a 5-gallon bucket. You can check the description box for a complete tutorial on how to make this fertilizer. This step is crucial because nitrogen is a vital nutrient for plant growth, especially in the early stages. It promotes vigorous leaf and stem development, which are necessary for the plant to support a large number of fruits. By using this homemade liquid fertilizer, we ensure that our chili pepper plants get an immediate boost of nutrients, which can help them grow faster and stronger. The third tip is pinching. Pinching the growing tips of hot pepper plants is an essential practice that can significantly increase your harvest. When you pinch off the top part of the plant, you encourage it to become bushier rather than taller. This is important because a bushier plant will have more branches, and more branches mean more places for flowers and fruits to grow. Pinching should be done when the plant is about 6 to 8 inches tall. This helps the plant to focus its energy on producing more side shoots, which leads to a more abundant and healthier crop of chili peppers. By following these 3 simple steps, you can greatly improve the yield and health of your chili pepper plants. Providing compost or decomposed manure at the time of transplanting gives the plants a strong start. Using a nitrogen-rich liquid fertilizer after 10 days helps them grow rapidly and vigorously. And pinching the plants ensures that they become bushier and more productive. Don't forget to check out the video link in the description for more recipe and detailed instructions on making your own nitrogen-rich fertilizers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more gardening tips and tricks.